Hello Magandan Omaga. Kamastana. I hope everyone is Mahbuti. How is everyone and how is your health? So I am thanks to God keeping us healthy and Mabuhay Philippine and we will talk today diabetes. I am Dr. Muhammad Khan, naturopathic, BMS, and I will tell you how to cure your diabetes in your home. Because I said before my video in your body, you are the one doctor. So you must be know what your food, because if your food is wrong, you are going to create more acidic. So you must be know about your food, what you are going to eating. If you eat wrong, that means you have diabetes, you have blood pressure, you have thyroid, you have cancer, you have a lot of disease. So how to cure your disease? You can cure yourself. You are yourself, your body, you are the one doctor. So doctor don't know this much, you know yourself. So if you follow me, you will be know how to cure your all disease. And first things, you must be thanks to God. If you love God, He will help you. If you are not love God, you are more in the trouble. You should be have to come the right path. You love your family, you love your parents, you love your your friends, and you should be help everyone. The best person is helping others, not in selfish helping. Just your selfish, you are not good person. And God never love. Who is selfish, God never love. So if you want to come, you are good, you should be, no need to come selfish. So today we will talk the diabetes, how can cure your diabetes. First things, if you are eat all you are acidic, you are get more disease. So you must be have the food is three kind. One is positive which food. When we are cooking rice, eating this all chemical. This is baking food, tin food, refined food. This all acidic and processor food. So this is the all positive. Which the negative? Negative all living food. Living food is all negative. And zero food all this artificial cake, pastry. This all is the artificial. This is zero food. Because you will get the taste, but you don't have any benefit. So when you are wake up, you should be drink. You start from the too big. You have to drink too big, the warm water, okay, or the noob. Second things, when you wake up, first you have to drink water. Then after you have to go in the toilet. Then you are clean your stomach, then you come back, then you can drink one more glass water. Then after that you can eat any kind of fruit. How do you know the acidic food or alkaline food? You think which food coming from the God, the fruits, living food, all from the God, nature. And which food making the human being, the who's the making in the market, the artificial, that food all acidic. So you choose the food, which food from the God, okay, that all alkaline. So you should be make your body alkaline, not make your body as acidic. So if your body power pH level. If it's strong, your immunity is strong, your ability is strong, your healing power is strong. So if you are eat acidic more, your healing power going down. You don't have healing power, so you are already sick. So you must eat. So morning you can eat the fruits, any kinds of fruits. How much fruits you can eat? Like your weight is 50. So you must be times 5. Sorry, times 10. 5 times 10 means 500. 500 grams should be you have to eat fruit. And how much you salad you can eat? That is 50 divide 5. So coming 250 gram your salad you have to eat before food. You no need any medicine, no need any insulin, no need any insulin, no need any tablets, any medicine. When you are eating your food, you make 2 plates, one for salad, one for your food. So before you eat, finish the salad, then you eat your food. And how you cook the rice, I will tell you next video. And so at 1 o'clock you can eat your lunch. How I said 1 plate, 2 plate. There is 2 plate, one for salad, one for your food. So you finish first salad, then you eat your. And don't drink between the food the water. If you drink between the food water, your food is never come digestion. Is melt coming and spoiling. So you are getting allergy, inspection, so many diseases you are getting. So you have to wait for 1 hour. Or if you want to drink the water, you can put calamansi inside and you can drink. Don't drink the pure water. So you must be, juice you can drink when you are eating. You can put lemon in the water, you can drink. So after 1 hour you can drink plain water, no problem. Okay. So evening same also your food must be 6 o'clock before. Because 10 o'clock we must be sleeping. So you must be decide, I have to sleep 10 o'clock, so my food is before 3 hours. Before you go bed, so 3 hours before you have to eat your food, dinner. And you don't need any medicine. And if you cannot get, maybe your money not enough, so if Philippines is too much rich, there is moringa, God giving moringa. So you make juice from moringa and you drink before your food and after you eat your food. If you cannot buy the salad, so you can do this one. Even you not buy the fruit, you can buy banana, something you must eat. So after salad, you cannot get the salad, just you make moringa leaves, 1 glass or 250 ml or 500 ml. So you drink before your food, drink this complete, then you can eat your food. Okay, the afternoon also, evening also. And evening before, 6 you have to finish your food. After 7 o'clock drink water, after don't take anything until morning. So your diabetes, you will reverse 3 months. 3 months after your bad cells going out, new cells coming. So your life coming automatic is you cure your. Anything you can ask, you no need to medicine. I am not asking any money because my clinic, I am giving treatment free of cost. I am not charging anything because I am doing everything from my God. God bless everyone. God bless of all of us. So that's why I said help everyone. Don't come rude and don't come selfish. So if you do, you will be cure your diabetes. And if you want the medicine, see, you easy medicine I will tell you for diabetes. Anybody can make. There is neem. This you're calling, I think, miracle tree calling in your Khabain. So you can ask the neem. I see there are a lot of places there they have neem. If you find neem, okay. If you not find neem, just you get the moringa leaves and make dry, and then make powder, and then like the 4 spoon moringa leaves and 4 spoon you put the turmeric powder. Mix it together and make paste for with the water and make a small tablet. One tablet morning, one tablet evening you take. So you see, don't worry about the diabetes. Your immunity system coming strong, your hormone coming more, so your your health coming good. You are always healthy. If you have any problems, you can comment, you can send any message, so you can ask any question, no problem. I think today this enough for this video, and we see next video. I will tell you how to you cook rice. So you do, because this rice you are eating, this rice too much, 100% is chemical. So this is not good for your health. Any disease you are getting, so there's back paining, bone paining, teeth problem, so hair problem, skin problem, all coming. So I will let you know tomorrow how you have to cook the rice. So Palam Sanyong Lahat and Hangang Samuli. So inshallah we will meet next time, and I will bring good tips and good treatment, and you make yourself treatment, and what I have your mind in, anything you want to ask, any disease, any no money, no fees, only you can pray for all of us. That's my charge. If you're giving from heart to pray, thanks to you. If you're not giving also, thanks to you. So take care. Have a great time. See you next time.